Hey everyone, how are you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. And it is that time of the month again. It is time for my Sips by unboxing. I just got it in. Just got my, what is this now? September? Just got my September Sips by box in the mail. Quick intro to this video before I crack this open and let you see what I got inside. Sips by is a monthly tea subscription box. It's $15 per month, free shipping in the United States. I'll put the other shipping rates like to Canada, things like that down in my description box. I'm gonna have to look those up. I'm not quite sure about those, but it is free shipping in the United States. Sips by offers a lot of different things on their website. I will link their website down in my description box. If you're not interested in a subscription like I have, they have been sending me these boxes. They are so kind. I've been getting my Sips by box now for almost close to a year and absolutely love it. If you're not interested in just the subscription, if you look at their website, they offer so many different things. They have specialty tea boxes for birthdays, for anniversaries, to help improve your mood, to help improve your sleep. So many different individualized gifts that you can give to people that love tea. And if you have someone that does love tea looking for a gift, we're getting close to that season of the year. I can't believe we're getting close to almost Christmas. I don't even want to say that word yet. If you do have tea lovers in your life, or if you are a tea lover, quick rundown of their monthly subscription. You take an in-depth quiz on the Sips by website. They'll ask you so many different questions about your tea taste, caffeine versus non-caffeine. Do you want a mixture of it in your box? All the different flavors of tea you like. Do you have any allergies? Anything you could possibly think they can ask you about tea, they do. They plug this into a mathematical algorithm that they use, and out comes your personalized tea tastes. And then the great people that I work with at Sips by look over each individual box to make sure that the teas that you're getting in your box are the teas that they know you're going to love. And then every month, at the beginning of the month, they ship out a personalized tea box to each individual that is signed up for their monthly subscription. Sips by works with over 150 global tea brands. The teas I've gotten so far, I've not seen in my local supermarket. They are very cool teas. They've turned me on to a lot of really unique teas that I've never tested out before and really have enjoyed. So I have loved getting my monthly subscription. So what I'm going to do is I am going to show you what is in my personalized box. You'll see some of the teas that Sips by has picked for me according to the information I gave them on my quiz. And then I will crack open one of the teas and steep it on the channel, let you know how I feel about it. I usually love all their teas. I will give you all the information for Sips by and leave it down in my description box. So let's get started. Sips by's tea boxes come to you packaged in this nice compact cardboard box that says Sips by on it. And when you open it up, there's always an informational card inside that lets you know what box you received. So this is my monthly box. This is my September subscription box of teas. And then when you flip it over, you will see all the teas that are listed in your box. Let's take a peek and see what I received this month. I received organic coconut vanilla tea by Davidson Organic Teas. It tells you how to steep the tea. It also tells you the ingredients and the caffeine level. And a lot of times Sips by will also give promo codes or discount codes. So if you really like the tea, you can purchase it yourself at a discount. I also received some Apricot Sunrise Tea by Ahmad Tea. That is going to be my high caffeine tea. Some organic traditional masala chai tea by Teal Ray, and that is my medium caffeine tea. And some organic lemongrass apple hibiscus tea by Otis, and that is my caffeine-free tea. When I did my quiz on the Sips By website, I specifically asked for a mixture of caffeine levels for my teas, and that's why in my monthly box, I receive, some medium caffeine levels, some no caffeine, and then some high caffeine teas. Everybody's box is different depending on their personal tea preferences. So let's take a look inside the box. The Apricot Sunrise Tea, I received 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. The Organic Coconut Vanilla Tea by Davidson's Organic Teas, I received 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. The Organic Traditional Masala Chai Tea, I received 1 large packet, but it has several little sachets of teas inside of that. I've already actually tested that one out. It is so good. That's probably my favorite so far in this box. And finally, the Organic Lemongrass Apple Hibiscus Tea. I received 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. And as always, I'm going to take one of the teas and steep it on the channel. Let's see, I think I'm going to pick this Apricot Sunrise Ahmad tea. It's morning. This is a high caffeine tea, and that's kind of what I'm looking for. So let's get started steeping the tea. It says on the back that it is a vibrant flavor of apricots, and when you open the packet up, you can smell the apricots. They smell so good. Let me start doing this. I am so thankful Sips By sends me their boxes. I love this company. I love working with the people there. They are great if you are a tea lover or just trying to get into teas and you love variety. This is a wonderful monthly subscription box. I will leave all the information for Sips By down in my description box. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye-bye from Marla.